This video relates to the installation of a microwave underbench cabinet. Start with a 600mm one-drawer cabinet, ensuring it is levelled and at the correct height with the drawer removed. Take the 600mm microwave box and place it on the 600mm one-drawer cabinet, ensuring it's flush on both sides, remembering to set the microwave box 20mm in front of the drawer cabinet. Clamp it into position. Pre-drill and fix using 28mm screws. Your microwave underbench combination is complete.